Hello, everybody. So today we're putting together a greenhouse, and the benefit of this greenhouse is going to be, the business name is Robert's Pick'ems. The idea is that people pick their own vegetables, uh, so that benefits me, and I don't have to pick the best vegetables. It's not a huge benefit, but people will come for the gimmick of picking their own vegetables. And also, it saves me from having vegetables go bad after I pick them and waiting for people to buy them on the shelf. There's a lot of benefits to this business method, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, I have to wait until the cars aren't passing. This is the preliminary video. There will be a better video of the greenhouse coming tomorrow. But I want to show you guys the greenhouse. It's pretty good size. We just got it put together. Just got the tarp on. Just wanted to walk you guys around and to keep pests away. Of course, I've got my Biscary scarecrow. He will be up year round, even though it was just for Halloween. I think it's fitting.